enrolling in EUTF retiree health plans, brought to you by the Hawaii Employer Union Health Benefits Trust Fund. Today we will provide a brief overview of the EUTF retirement enrollment packet with an emphasis on the pre-retirement checklist, Medicare checklist, and important dates and deadlines. For more information, please refer to the EUTF Retiree Reference Guide in your packet and our pre-retirement informational session video available on our website. Following many years of government service, the time has finally come for you to retire. Congratulations, you've made it. After filing for retirement with the Employee Retirement System, or ERS, you will need to obtain an EUTF Retiree Enrollment Packet. Looking into the contents of the packet, you will find a booklet, envelope, and a lot of forms. Since employees retire at different times and different ages for different reasons, not all the forms will need to be filled out by you, as not all the forms will apply to your specific situation. In this video, we will help you sort out which forms you will need to complete. The first form you want to locate, and the form that will be your starting point, is the pre-retirement checklist. The first item on the pre-retirement checklist you will need to submit to the EUTF is a copy of your ERS Retirement Estimate Letter. This letter is issued to you when you file for retirement with the ERS. Please be advised that the EUTF will not be able to enroll you in retiree health plans without a copy of this letter. For more information on the ERS Retirement Estimate Letter, please contact the ERS. The next item on the pre-retirement checklist you will need to submit to the EUTF is the EC2 enrollment form due within 60 days of your retirement date. Go ahead and locate the EC2 enrollment form in your packet. Keep in mind that this form is also available as a form fillable PDF on our website at eutf.hawaii.gov. When completing the EC2 form, please mark the retirement box and include your retirement date at the top of the form. Under Section 1, include your current contact information and be sure to always notify the EUTF if this information ever changes. Leave Section 2 blank, as your start date will be the retirement date. Section 3 is where you will select your health plan options and type of enrollment as either self, two-party, or family. On the reverse side of the form, put your name in the upper right-hand corner. If you are adding any eligible dependents to your plan, please complete Section 4. If not, please leave this section blank. More information on adding eligible dependents, including submitting proof documents, can be found in the Retiree Health Benefits Reference Guide. If you or any of your eligible dependents have enrolled in Medicare, please complete Section 5. If not, please leave this section blank. If you or your eligible dependents have coverage under a non-EUTF health plan, please complete Section 6. If not, please leave this section blank. And finally, please read the statement in Section 7, and if you agree, sign and date the form. Please note that a dependent signature may be required in certain situations when Medicare eligible dependents switch plans. But for the purposes of retiree enrollment, please leave the dependent signature and date section blank. Once you have completed and reviewed your form, please submit to the address written here on the bottom. The next set of forms that need to be submitted on the pre-retirement checklist apply only if you or any of your eligible dependents are Medicare eligible. Medicare eligibility due to age applies to individuals 65 or older. Individuals may be eligible for Medicare if they suffer from a qualified disability. If you have any questions regarding Medicare eligibility, please contact the Social Security Administration office. If you or your dependents are not eligible for Medicare at this time, please skip this section. If you or your dependents are eligible for Medicare, please take out the Medicare checklist located in your packet. Because Medicare plays such an important role in your health plans as a retiree, we've created a separate checklist for employees who will be retiring and are eligible for Medicare or have dependents eligible for Medicare. Please read this checklist carefully as it outlines important Medicare enrollment requirements for EUTF retirees. If you have any questions about these requirements, please contact the EUTF. Please keep in mind that Medicare is a federal program under Social Security. Any questions regarding Medicare enrollment should be directed to Social Security. For employees who will be retiring and are Medicare eligible or have dependents who are Medicare eligible, you will need to submit the following: a copy of your and/or your dependent's Medicare card indicating enrollment in Medicare Part B. Medicare Part B Reimbursement Direct Deposit Agreement Form. The Medicare Part B Reimbursement Direct Deposit Agreement Form can be found in your packet and is also available on our website at eutf.hawaii.gov. Please read this form carefully. Complete the form, attach a voided check as needed, sign, and submit to the EUTF. The third form you will need to submit is a Social Security Administration letter for you and/or your dependent indicating the Medicare Part B premium amount. This letter may be obtained by contacting Social Security. If you are not yet receiving Social Security benefits, then you will need to submit the CMS invoice showing your Medicare Part B premium amount. The next item on the pre-retirement checklist is the ERS Pension Deduction Form and ACH Deduction Authorization Agreement Form. You would need to complete and submit the ERS Pension Deduction Form if you will be paying all or a portion of your health benefit premiums and would like your premiums deducted from your ERS pension. Retirees also have the option to have deductions made from their checking or savings account by submitting the ACH Deduction Authorization Agreement Form. If you will not be paying a premium for your health benefits, please skip this section. On the reverse side of the pre-retirement checklist, we have the employer contribution table. This table is used to determine the employer's contribution towards the retiree's health plans. The ERS Retirement Estimate Letter is used to determine the maximum amount your employer will contribute towards your retiree health coverage. The letter certifies your employment membership date and length of service to help determine the percentage of the base monthly contribution, or BMC, that will be available to cover your retiree health plan premiums. Retiree plan premium amounts may be found in the EUTF Retiree Health Benefits Reference Guide or on our website at eutf.hawaii.gov. Retirees who must pay a monthly premium for their elected health plan options may complete the retiree premium worksheet in order to calculate what their monthly cost will be for that plan year. The retiree premium worksheet is available for retirees with membership start dates before July 1st, 2001 or on or after July 1st, 2001. More information, including copies of the worksheets, are available in the EUTF Retiree Health Benefits Reference Guide or on our website at eutf.hawaii.gov. For retirees who pay a health plan premium and would like premiums deducted from their monthly pension, please read the ERS Pension Deduction Form carefully. Complete the form, sign, and submit to the EUTF. If you rather have your deductions come from your checking or savings account, please read the ACH Deduction Authorization Agreement Form carefully, complete the form, sign, and submit to the EUTF. The last items on the pre-retirement checklist are the optional forms. You have the option to complete the HIPAA authorization form for release of protected health information. This form allows the retiree to authorize the EUTF to release the retiree's protected health information to a specific person or organization for a specified amount of time, as requested by the retiree. The Securian Financial Group Inc. Beneficiary Designation Form is used to designate the beneficiary for the 100% employer-paid life insurance plan available to the retiree only. Carefully read, complete, sign, and submit this form to the EUTF. Submit the following within 60 days of your retirement date: ERS Retirement Estimate Letter, EC2 enrollment form including any proof documents. If you or your dependents are Medicare eligible, copy of your and/or your dependent's Medicare card, direct deposit agreement form, and Social Security Administration letter. If you will be paying all or a portion of your premiums and would like your premiums deducted out of your pension, the ERS Premium Deduction Form. Other forms to include is the HIPAA Authorization Form, Securian Group Inc. Life Insurance Beneficiary Designation Form. Remember to submit all forms to the EUTF. You may use the envelope provided in your packet. Our mailing address is EUTF 201 Merchant Street, Suite 1700, Honolulu, Hawaii 96813. And remember, online resources are available on our website at eutf.hawaii.gov. Again, congratulations on your retirement, and on behalf of the EUTF, mahalo for your time and attention.